Hey guys, Annie Stacey here. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing a product review. So this is the product I'm gonna be reviewing. So basically I'll be unboxing and reviewing this. So I've had this for over a year. So I got this last year from Ulta Beauty, but you can also find this on Amazon. So I'm gonna leave the links to everything in the description box below. But yeah, I got this last year and didn't get a chance to use it. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and unbox it and yeah, show you guys how I use it on my hair. So it is the new and improved Revlon one-step volumizer. It's a blow dryer and you can use it to stretch your hair, and it's also set to add volume to your hair. So yeah, I'm gonna be reviewing this, so come along with me, let's do that. So I also got the Revlon Smooth Brilliant flat iron. Yeah, I got these and these together. So right now I don't know if I want to go ahead and flat iron my hair, but by the end of this video I must have made up my mind. But yeah, I just wanted to go ahead and try this two products that I've had for a while and didn't use. So yeah, so let's go ahead and unbox this product. So as you can see, it still looks very much sealed up. My fingers are slippery from all the oil from my hair. I'm trying to get this thing out. So this is how the brush looks. It's one of my favorite colors, so yeah. So this is just on low and it's already stretching. It's on low, I haven't even put it on high. So I'm already happy with this product. I'm actually already loving my results, and compared to other brushes I've used, this does not even take up time and I can actually see the volume and the sound is not as loud. So I'm just loving everything right now. Wow, I'm almost done with one section. When on other dryers it takes me a longer time. the sound you just heard is me putting it on high, so I just wanted to hear that. So all through I've been using it on low. I wanted to just put it on high heat. So I've come to the end of the review and I just want to end here. I'm not gonna use the flat iron. Yeah, I don't want that much heat in my hair right now. So yeah, but this is the result and I'm actually loving it. So I actually do love this product. I don't see any cons apart from the fact that using a lot of heat on your hair could damage it. So you just want to make sure you regulate the heat to low. Yeah, or if you want to use high heat, make sure you use heat protectant and stuff like that. But right now I'm not gonna flat iron my hair. I just wanted to blow it out and then see how this works. I actually love it. I prefer it more than the other ones that I've used because I think it cuts my time into half or even more than half, because with just one time it automatically just blow dries the hair, like just stretches out the hair with little or no effort. So yeah, it saves me a lot of time. I do love it. It doesn't make a lot of noise. The noise is minimal as compared to the other brushes I've used. So yeah, I actually love this and I'll recommend it. So if you need this, you can check the links in my description box. And I also just noticed that this is wiping off the Revlon from the too much touching. It's smearing. Anyway, that's not a problem. It doesn't stop it from working. So yeah, I do love this product and I'm gonna recommend it and I'm gonna keep using it. So yeah, this is the new and improved version and I actually love it. I guess I've said that a lot of times. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you found value in this, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel below, turn on post notifications so that YouTube will notify you whenever I upload a new video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Give it a thumbs up.